Additive manufacturing or 3D printing is now becoming a necessary technology for companies looking to remain competitive amid rising cost of operation and supply chain constraint. With a 3D model design on a computer, manufacturers can now print out anything from small parts of a car or aeroplane to toys. Here's Allan Aoko with the details on tonight's episode of Tech One.
A 3D printer at work. The printing process begins by preheating the printing bed to 200 degrees, then applying a light layer of filament to the printing nozzle and adding glue to the glass bed. Using a secure digital card containing digital 3D model information, instructions are fed into the printer to begin the printing process. The printing begins and takes a few minutes from the design stage depending on the size of an object to be printed.
High quality printers out there, but they are pricey at the same time. So I thought, why not create my own 3D printer that would not only print one item at a go, it could actually print multiple items at the same time.
Peter Maria, an inventor based in Ruiru, Kiambu County, shows us how homemade solutions like his can be adopted by companies for large-scale manufacturing amid rising costs of production and constraints in the supply chain.
So I wanted a printer that can mass produce items with the same printing quality and speed. So it has better precision, it has higher speed and repeatability at any one time, and will produce the 4 different items at a go.
In Kenya, the additive manufacturing or 3D printing industry is still in its early stages of development, though it is still being held back by factors such as high cost of equipment and challenges in accessing the technology. Mario believes that eventually 3D printing will become a key part in Kenya's manufacturing industry as firms seek long-term sustainability. Allan Aoko, Tech One.